Shalom, family. Hi, I'm here to talk about the community tab. I don't think a lot of people know about it, and I'm going to give a little bit of instructions on how to get to it, because in my community tab, I actually share videos from other YouTubers in my community tab, because they're giving really pertinent information, and there's no need for me to give information that's already out there. I do use some content from others, and I will combine them and put them in some of my videos when it comes to world events. So I like to tell people to, don't overlook the community tabs. The way to get to the community tab is click on a picture. So when you click on our picture, it will take you to our homepage, which is what I'm posting right here. And you see on the home page, you can click videos, playlist, in the community. So click the community, and then that's where you'll see posts from other YouTubers, memes, or things I want to share that I've typed in the community tab section that I didn't put in a video. I even put my videos in a community tab for those people who are aware that it exists, for them to, click the video in the community tab, and it'll show them the video that I've uploaded. So this is a little tutorial on how to get to the community tab, and also up here will be the about list and the channels, but I don't list any channels that I subscribe to. So please educate other people on how to use the community tab by simply sharing this small tutorial with them. Have a blessed day. Be encouraged. Know that the Most High God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob is on our side. And primarily, listen to worship and praise music to, permeate your environment with the spirit of the Most High God.